We're Stefano and Sasha. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you what a day in the life looks like camping and living on a remote beach in Nicaragua. We've spent the past 2 months traveling Central America in our truck camper, and our favorite places to camp are remote beaches with no tourists around. First things first, we had to set up our new home for the next few days. So we got out our tarp, our tables and chairs, and we put them under some shade. We actually came here because we had to do a little bit of work on the laptop, so we set up a nice little outdoor working space. We found this spot on the app that we always use to find both free and paid camping spots called iOverlander. And this beach is about in the middle of Nicaragua, just south of the Popoyo surfing zone, which is a pretty well-known spot. But this beach is called Playa Amarillo. For the first afternoon here, we just did some work on the computer, and then we went for a nice little sunset dip together. The sunsets in Nicaragua are absolutely amazing. They've pretty much all looked like this.
It's seawater, so we can wash our feet.
And then we also, very hygienically, wash our dishes. But we changed the water, obviously.
Sometimes.
If you haven't yet seen last week's video where we camped with wild horses, watched the sunset behind a volcano, swam in this epic pond, and literally swam with horses, check it out. We'll link it here.
What's my little princess doing? You hungry? Little princess. You hungry? I'm coming. Watch out. Watch out. Is this where you at? Is this where you at? Good girl. Give him to mama. Give him to mama. Whoa! Run free, little one. Good girl. And this is us. We got some trees. I could live here forever.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a naughty dog crying.
In the morning, we like to have our own separate routines. This is like our only time away from each other ever, so we really need this. Stefano likes to read his book and drink multiple coffees in peace. I like to go for a walk with Nala or do a Pilates workout. And this morning I'm actually filming a Pilates workout for this 5-day program that I'm creating. So this is my beautiful filming spot.
This morning we woke up with the sound of the ocean, which is pretty cool. Yeah, we love camping, like as much as possible near the ocean, being at the beach, and possibly not in towns. So we have the freedom to be in nature. It's 7 a.m. now, since we can't surf because we're still sore from the horse riding on our shoulder, on our back. We just go for a nice walk along the beach. One big problem that we found out all throughout Central America is people don't really care about nature here. Like every place that we have been, we have found like rubbish everywhere, and it's like really sad to think that like people that actually live here don't care about their land. Like if they don't change drastically this attitude, they will end up having like beaches full of plastic, full of rubbish, full of nets, which is like really sad. So whenever we have time, we try to pick whatever we can. I know it's not gonna make a big difference, but it's better than nothing. So today we're gonna get a bag and pick up some rubbish and just do something good.
Daddy picked all these up on our beach walk. We try to pick up trash when we can, but it can be kind of overwhelming because like we did this and there's still so much trash everywhere. People here are not the locals who live here are not very educated on the impact of this. So it's really sad to see everywhere. So we just try to do our part by never littering and bringing a little bit of trash with us when we can. It's definitely not like the tourists that come here and do this. We've seen like after big public holidays where there's lots of families, the trash is just littered.
These are diapers. How do you say it?
There's diapers.
Yeah.
There's it's always plastic bottles, glass bottles, styrofoam containers, diapers. I found a diaper next to our truck the other day. It's just everything. It's really sad. It just ruins the beaches for future generations. When we are camping off grid like this, we can really only go 3 or 4 days with enough water because our water tank is not huge. Our water tank is about 23 gallons, which is half the size of the tank in the bus. And we even thought the tank in the bus was not big enough. So definitely something we would change, but we can't change. So in order to save water, we do a couple of things. Today we're washing the dishes in the ocean. Stefano's scared, so I'm walking him through how to do it. A wasp just bit my butt. Yeah. Yeah, more water. What do you think, Nala?
puppy thinks she's getting something. I've been up since 5:30. It's like 9:30 now. 10. And we're finally gonna make breakfast. The last of our paleo gluten-free pancakes, which is a sad day.
I'm ready. Flip it, flip it, flip it. No, baby, I thought you would flip it on the pan. Like, you know?
You want to do it?
No, like...
Hey, this is our last pancake. I can't risk it.
Okay, yeah. Maybe not. Next time. Nala thinks she's gonna get pancakes. Do you want pancakes, Nala? I'm super excited for this.
Brunch with a view. We have to keep the door closed because of the wasp situation.
Yeah.
But other than that,
we'll have breakfast outside. But like this morning, this plant was full of wasps, so it's gonna be 100%.
I've already got stung twice, so I don't want to be stung again.
Thank you, baby. This is like delicious.
Bon appetit, darling. After our excessive 5-hour morning routine, it was time to be productive. So we set up our Starlink Roam internet, which allows us to have internet wherever we travel to. It allows us to work from places like this instead of going to a cafe, which is a win. This is what we will be doing for the next couple of hours.
Couple of days.
Couple of days.
I'm only halfway through.
There's literally no one here except for us.
What's for lunch, baby? Is this a poor lunch?
This is a poor people's looking lunch. This is refried beans. I made some guacamole. We're gonna put it on tortillas and have tacos. This is like, I'm such a picky eater. So I don't like a lot of the food down here. So this is, I think I like this. This is what we're eating.
You can say that we don't need so much meat, so we need to like...
Yeah, we don't.
We need to
I'm
get
a bit funny
protein
about
with
the
something.
meat.
Yeah.
And we need protein so that we're full and not just eating guacamole and tostadas for lunch. It's not a balanced meal.
Doesn't look good, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good.
Yeah. Okay, this is kind of an embarrassing lunch. We will redeem ourselves at dinner. We're gonna have a salad for dinner, but this is what we have to work with for lunch. It's not so bad. It's okay.
This is our personal dishwasher. It's how do we say? Free of cost. Water conservation, free of cost.
Just winds a little now and then.
Yeah. But other than that, it's perfect.
Another way that we conserve water that we stole from our van friends when we're doing dishes is to fill up this bottle with soapy water and then spray the dishes with this. That way you don't have to like rinse them, soap them, and then rinse them again. So it kind of saves you like half the water, which we're all about. And now for my third swim of the day. The sand is really hot. We can't use our like shower water to cool off. I changed bikinis because my other one was so sandy. So in order to cool off, just gonna go for a little dip. It was a skinny dip earlier, but there's about 3 people on the beach now, so no more skinny dip. Okay, I am nice and sandy now. ready to do some more work.
Finally, maybe it's time to chill.
Finally.
Yeah, we deserve this.
Yes, I think so.
Do you think so?
We
I don't think
do
you
that
deserve
much today. But
Yeah.
it's too hot to do anything else, and I'm too sandy.
Yeah. Yeah, so usually at midday we try to work a little bit, create some content and do some research and work on our YouTube channel and Instagram, and then we like mid-afternoon to chill a little bit and read or just sit at the beach waiting for sunset, which is gonna happen pretty soon.
The sunset, this is what we're doing for sunset tonight. Sitting in our camping chairs.
I feel like retired.
Today was a very retired day. Nala is not ever chilling, and we are watching the beautiful sunset. And Nala's just eating stuff. This is definitely a more relaxed day in our life. Not every day is like this. We will go crazy. We've had like 2 days like this, and that's like kind of enough. And then it's time to like go do some stuff.
Yeah.
But these have been too nice.
Well, we have one extra day.
We have tomorrow.
Yeah.
I can't wait to have like a long shower. I'm so salty.
What is it gonna happen?
I don't know.
But it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen eventually.
1 week or the next, this week or the next one.
Eventually.
Nala continued to be her usual crazy self as we tried to relax as much as you can with a puppy in a camper and watch the sunset and have a drink. Sunset is definitely our favorite time of the day, especially when we're camping like this on the beach, and we really appreciate that we have the opportunity to watch these from right outside our front door. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to see more. Next week, we are taking you along as we cross the border from Nicaragua to Costa Rica and showing you our first beach camping spot in Costa Rica.